Hello my friend, it's me again. I'm here today to talk about issues which is I think you are here for to hear from me or to see it. It is something I think you will enjoy it. Let us discuss about why affiliate marketing is the best first business for beginners. Why you need to start your online business from affiliate marketing. That's what I am going to discuss on today, and I hope that you will enjoy it and you will get benefit from it. Absolutely, you came here to get the benefit of such topics or similar topics. So let us go it deeply. Affiliate marketing is so important, it's so easy, it is better for you if you are going to start your online business because of 5 reasons that I'm going to show you here. Of course, the first reason that affiliate marketing is the best for you is low cost setup for your business. In affiliate marketing, you don't need to pay a lot of capital, a lot of money, a lot of resources to develop your products, to start your business from scratch. You only do get products from others, other people products you are selling and recommending it, and then you will make commission on that. So it is so beautiful, it is so easy to start it. The only cost you will pay will be small money that you are investing in your website or in your landing page or maybe advertisement. So it's absolutely very low cost. So that's why I like it. That's why I recommend you to start it. Absolutely, you don't need to develop your own products. You don't need to start your own companies. You don't need to do a lot of stuff before you make even money. So already some people do all of that for you, and they are dealing with the customers, they are dealing with everything else, but the only thing you do is only one step, which is take the links and promote it and sell it and make some money. That's all. So that's why I like it. Affiliate marketing is so great place. The second reason, that's why you need to start affiliate marketing over other business, online business opportunities, is it's always easy to sell others' products because others' products they have already developed it, they have already improved it, they have already did everything for you. Then others' products are different. Millions of products are online now and they have all affiliate programs. So you only need to join their programs and then to recommend their products. That's all. So that's why it's so important, so crucial to sell others' products. But if you have your own product, maybe it will be low quality and the people they review your product in a bad way. So then you will need to change it or to improve it. So it will cost you a lot and it will be a difficulty on you. So you have only always, if you are going to promote your product, you always have only one option. It's only your product. So you need to take that risk. But in here, if you get some people's product, it's not high quality and it's risky to invest your money or to promote it, you change it easily. You don't need to promote that, and you can get hundreds of options, thousands of options. Then you promote it. Product is with high quality, high commission payment. Third reason that why I am going to recommend you affiliate marketing is that you don't need to buy others' products to promote it. Absolutely, you don't need to buy the product first to promote it, to sell it others. You don't need that cost. The only thing you need is to do the basic research on that product. All information about that product is already available, and the people they have already knew what about the products, the quality of that product, how it's benefit. So absolutely you don't need first to buy it. Go YouTube and watch some videos about that product, reviews on that product, and also go Google and read some articles on that product, and that's all about. You know everything about the product, then you always recommend it to the people. So that is why it's beautiful. Everything is ready for you, and then the only thing you need is take the advantage of that available information on the product and sell it to others. Others will give you the opportunity to buy from you and you will make commissions on that. So absolutely it's wonderful, and that's why I recommend you to start the affiliate marketing. Fourth reason, that's why I like affiliate marketing to start my own business and I recommend you to use it as advantage, is you learn everything marketing skills. You learn a lot of skills on marketing online business. When you are in affiliate market, you will promote different products, different markets, and then to different audience through all of that diversification, geographical areas. All of those things will give you experience and skills on how to promote everything. So the best thing you acquire online, the best thing you gain is knowledge, skills. So in affiliate marketing, the big thing you will get is the experience and the skill. You can promote everything. So it is a great area that you will get a lot of skills on marketing, online marketing, promoting everything. It is a way you can grow your skills and you can make a lot of progress. Limitless scalability. There is a lot of opportunity that you can make a lot of progress, a lot of improvement. In affiliate market, it is scalable. You can go a lot of different levels. You can grow your business very fast and very quickly. So that's why I like it. You can make money from 100,000 to 10 million, over 100 million. You can grow your business without limits. There's no limits in affiliate market. As you know, Amazon, Airbnb, and other many websites, they are working as affiliate market. They don't have products they own. They are selling the products of other people's, and you know their money. You know they are making billions of dollars. That's why it is so beautiful. That is why I'm selling others' product. Potential. It's potential. There's no limit. There's no limit. That's why I like it. You can transform your life from level to another level. Amazon, they are selling others' products, and they are making, as you know, they are the biggest company which has the money, which has the billions, trillions of dollars. And you can start another areas. Maybe you can sell your products, your online courses, other digital products. It's absolutely for you. It's also potential, but I always like affiliate marketing because it's potential, and because of those 5 reasons I have already mentioned. I hope that you will get the benefit of that. It's absolutely wonderful place. So that's all what I've been trying to talk about today. It is absolutely, I think it's wonderful, and you will get the benefit of those reasons, and you will start your online business from affiliate marketing. Absolutely, I hope you enjoy it. That's why I wanted to share with you. Hope I was give you some value. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe this channel. I always learn new things about affiliate marketing, online business, social media marketing, also motivational tips. So please subscribe this channel, comment below, like it. That will help me. Thank you for now.